You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
See how we find the topic. And the topic is victorious but victoryless. Victorious but victoryless.
Okay. Great. Assalamu alaikum to all of you guys. Starting the precious and almighty name of Allah, Rahman, Rahim, not for me, no entire universe. And after that, I am paying thanks to my greatest master who make me able to stand in front of you guys. Sir Sayyid Shahid Khan. As that after my parents, today I am having a topic which is just simply like that. Victorious but victoryless. What is the meaning of this topic? Victorious but the victoryless, the person who get the victory, but still he did not feel really that I am the victorious over here to play, or I am the person, a person who wins by the cheating. From that time, the victory is as same as a victorious person is victoryless on that same time. Why? After doing cheating, after doing something wrong, that he have gotten that victory. Now it can be that we will call that person as a victorious person. It is same. It is the victoryless person as with the cheating from a wrong side. He have gotten that victory. That cannot be 100% that victorious person. On that time, I will be or any other person. When we are having when we win it by our own heart, by our own hard works. On that time, that victory I will call as a victory. When I have done cheating on that same game, on that time how it can be that I will be the victorious person. Yes, same. I am victorious, but I am a victoryless. As I am not having a game to do it. I am not having that thing. Why? When I will be having a game, I will not do cheating. Yes, same. I am not having that game. I am not having that belief. I am not having that capability to fight in front of someone by the victory, to win that, to get that victory. I am the person to only do cheating and take that game. By this, I will be calling a victory in front of the person who they don't know about reality about me. But the thing is that a person that don't know my reality, they will call me the victorious person. A person who knows my reality, they will call me the victory. That he get the victory, but that victory is victoryless. Thank you. That's all.
Just 10 seconds back. Enemy challenge.
That a victorious one, this, that. Don't forget the day. The time was, the hour was somehow before. In school, you were scaring and you were unable to come. Or even that is not something shocking or like, that is your history. Every time, whenever there is your match, every time when there is to face everybody, the victorious person, you are getting down. You are not scared, like you are not coming. Nobody can see you. And even before that day, you were the one to tell everybody that I am the one to be a victorious one, I am the one to defeat you. Then why you are not the one to come in school and face everybody? When everybody was asking from you that Mr. Hasnan Baloch will be the one to winner, then why you did forget that time that you are student of SSK, you must not scare from a girl, but you were the one to do it. And later on, it is not your first time what you are doing it. Many times we have done. So that's mean that should we call you victorious one or should we call you coward? Mr. Don't think about other people, are they victorious, this and that, because they are victorious, they will depend on their victory, the game will end. They are hungry for the success. But what about you? What you are doing while coming in the arena? You are the one to scare like a coward. You are the one to say like a cat why she is going in the water. Then what you will create the example in front of a crowd, mister. You should bring your own example rather than to give an example.
Okay, Amish is saying to me as you are a coward person, and before the match you are saying I will be the victorious. Miss, I am. Why will say I will be? I am the victorious person, and how it can be missed on that time? Okay, you are saying that you are not having. My match was not on a school. My match is over here, but I am present over here, not on a school. I should be present. Why over there? There is my match. No, here is my match, and I am going to play it. And she gives the example like a cat in a water as like this. You are, Miss. A big case, and a tiger can go directly on the water, and I am from that tiger.
Come on. Last question.
So you are saying I am tiger and this and that. But when a cat wears like skin of a tiger, does you feel like that he will be scared or he would be that like encouraged to fight? Definitely they would not. And you are saying that see, I have come here, I am doing this and that. It is just for a formality. Because if you will not come, tomorrow the girls will hit you so much hard. And they will also say that, yeah, why you were the one. So it is just for a formality. And if you have come, so definitely you are going to go with an empty-handed. Because nobody is ready to give you a trophy or nobody is ready to give you the Victoria one. So now you will yet call yourself as a Victoria one, this and that, when you are not capable enough to face the girls, and you are not capable enough to fight among that the one, you are not capable enough to fight in the liberty, then you are saying that, yeah, I am the Victoria one, I am lion, this and that. You are so called lion. If you have a courage and if you have a heart like that, I will believe that you can do that. That's it.
Okay, means before saying me when you are a person to play, I like to fight in a liberty, then why you are not doing it? As you are saying to me that I am a person not to fight in a liberty, I am the person, the guys will hit me tomorrow. Miss, why tomorrow? Why now you are not able to hit me over here? That is the reality. As you kind of so-called people are coming in front of me and they are saying like we are this or we are that. Miss, I am not a person. After getting the victory, I will do cheating to get that victory. I am the person. When I want to get it, I will get it. When I don't want to get it, I will also not see that thing from my half eyes. And still over here, I am standing for what? As the efforts of my master, which makes me as much able to stand over here. Because of that, I am standing over there. Others should be there. They should come in front of me and they should tell me. And about yesterday, which you are talking me, the guys will hit me very hard on this other thing. Miss, leave yesterday. Talk about today and why you are not able to hit me over here.
Come on!